Hello. Our group, Derek, Justin, Tanae, and Kush, are in Team 20 and Section 14. We would like to present our solution, fan filtration. The Kimberly Clark Corporation is establishing a goal of extending their zero waste mindset to the world by having compostable paper towels. The importance of this goal is to improve its sustainability and strengthen the health of the earth. The problem with this is that people who use these bathrooms often mix non compostable waste with the paper towels. We needed to think of a design that will effectively sort the paper towels and other waste. The criteria for this model is that it must be feasible to produce, applicable in many locations, and efficient in sorting trash. The constraints are that it must be developed by the end of the semester, it must be safe to use, and cannot solely rely on human behavior. This solution will also be presented at Mackey Arena. We also must keep in mind who is going to be using this trash bin. We have the elderly, the youth, basketball fans, and families.
Our solution to this problem is called fan filtration. This design uses the object's own weight and strong airflow to sort between the lighter paper towels and the heavier contaminants. The airflow created by the fan blows lighter objects across the barrier into the left receptacle, while all the trash will fall directly into the right receptacle. Additionally, the trash can will be placed close to an automatic paper disposal dispenser that, when activated, also activates a fan on the side of the can. This way, to sort between light trash like candy wrappers and paper towels, the fan only turns on to blow paper towels to the other side when one has been dispensed from the machine, not when someone is just walking by to throw a wrapper in. This design meets the criteria and constraints as it is efficient, safe, does not require such much maintenance, can be easily applied to many locations, and does not heavily rely on user behavior. To get a better understanding of how our solution works, here's a demonstration of our testing procedure using a low-fidelity cardboard prototype and a hairdryer as the computer case fan. As you can see, we're putting other contaminants through, and then finally we put a paper towel through, and the fan turns on, and it's blown to the other side.
This solution will be implemented by connecting the power of the electronic paper towel dispenser to the power of a 7500 RPM computer case fan via a time delay relay that acts as a timer to turn off the fan 10 seconds after a paper towel has been dispensed. The fan will also be installed on the side of the trash can, and the trash can can be placed just below the dispenser. There is a very low probability that the contaminants get sorted into the wrong receptacle because our fan is connected to the dispenser. This is shown through the data of our testing procedure, in which we went through 6 contaminants and 1 paper towel dispenser through the system, and every item was sorted properly, giving a 0% contamination. Our weighted decision matrix supported our data by giving the fan filtration the highest score of 255, which was greater than the gravity filtration score of 245 and the rubber flaps score of 200. Our fan filtration had the highest score in effectiveness, and even though it was our most expensive solution, our decision matrix weighted effectiveness much higher than cost because we decided that effectiveness was much more important than the price.
The first limitation of this solution is that when a paper towel is thrown away with an additional contaminant, the paper towel can get stuck against the side and be sorted in the wrong receptacle. To address this, we made a trade-off. A smooth funnel could be implemented for the transition from the right receptacle to the left one. Also, users might throw pads and latex products wrapped in paper towels. As these contaminants are as light as paper towels, the fan will be switched on again, and the lighter contaminant will be again sorted out into the wrong receptacle. This can be tackled by placing bilingual signs near the dispensers that ask the users to throw paper towels only.
Thank you for listening.